Hey guys, so for my presentation, I did an Adobe Spark website just basically explaining what One Book, One Campus means to me. Okay, so basically I just talked about One Book, One Campus, same book, different views, and basically how we can all bring our different point of views and different backgrounds and where we come from and all of our different styles, excuse me, into this one book that we all are reading on campus. Style, basically, we all have different styles, and what is the one thing that we can all learn from if we all read the same book on campus? So the big thing is communication for me. How can we communicate with our students? Um, think about it as we think about communication. It's not through pen and paper anymore. It's all done online. We do emails, we do tweets, we do Instagram stories, Snapchat stories, all of that stuff. But is it really working? Is it effective? Are our students getting that information? For example, likes. What does a like mean? If you like something on Twitter, are you really understanding that message or are you just liking it just to like it? Some more better ways for communication. How can we get this out to our students? That's basically the rundown of my presentation. Thanks, guys.